You should play with me.
I'm sorry, maybe I didn't mean to wake you. My bad. My B. I mean, hey everybody, welcome back to another stream. Today's gonna be a short one. No walking, just some vibes. Just chilling. We're gonna be fixing some stuff on OBS. Gonna add stuff that I've been wanting to add. I have a full list of things that I want to work on. I already know what I want to work on today. We're not gonna hit everything, but we're gonna try to hit as many as I can. At least like the more technical things, because I also have to fix my audio stuff, but that's probably gonna have to do that offline. So, but anyway, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing well. Very early stream. Probably this is the earliest I've ever been live, because I have a movie to catch with the boys later today. But I still wanted to get some stuff done, especially like OBS wise. I figured today is the perfect day to do that. So just gonna pop into OBS. My phone just fell for some reason. Let me leave it charging. I don't have to worry about having no battery when I leave. There we go. But yeah, we're just gonna put some music, start playing with OBS, try to fix as much stuff as we can. So let me I'm gonna set a timer so I don't stay super focused like live for long, so because I want to be able to
Dan 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 dan.
din din dan 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 dan. I'm gonna set a timer so I know when to like start wrapping up and shit, so I'm not late. Because maybe I'll get lunch, maybe I'll just not eat. I'm trying to lose a little bit of extra weight. I'm almost to my summer goal. I'm only a pound away to make my summer goal, but I want to get lower from it. So like if I do indulge one day like today, because we're going to the movies, I'm probably gonna get a popcorn. I love fucking movie theater popcorn. So let's see. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Let me start with the music at least. I'll put some chill vibes. God. Where's my lo-fi playlist? We're not doing Halo today. We're doing Halo on Friday. Fuck, that scared the shit out of me. Oh, every fucking time. I even lowered it this time. I'm not dealing with this shit. Where's my lo-fi playlist? I guess I'll put the video game one. Alright. Nice, calm music. Song of the Titan. Fuck. Alright, and then we go. Oh, I mean, bang. But that's not what we're focusing on today. We're focusing on this. Okay, here you go. Just for a bit. I like how it just goes. Okay, I'm getting distracted already. Alright, so first thing that I want to fix is this sub counter thing. Because I have it stuck on a specific layer. I think it's this one, yeah. I have it on this layer right here. And the problem with this layer has all mine. Like, it has Lola on it. And it has whenever I ban somebody or whenever I go, like, get ads, Jeff Bezos pops up. Try to keep them organized. But my problem is, like, at least for the starting soon. Let me see if I can do it from here. I can. From the starting soon here, like, you can barely see the sub goal. So I want to be able to at least have it that I can move it around according to each scene. So to do that real quick, I'm just going to create a new scene. I'm going to call this sub. Actually, I'm just going to call it sub goal. Yeah, should I put scene? Let's see. Then here, I should be able to just... Oh, fuck. That's not what I need. Wait. Oh, fuck. If I do this. There we go. I'm going to go into studio mode. Okay. Where did I put sub goal scene? Down here. Down here, we're going to add text. Add existing. I believe I have this. I think it's this one. All right. Looks a bit big. That's fine. Now this way, we go to starting soon. I can just add it here, add scene. And so go scene. Let me play with this. I can adjust it. Put it in this corner over here. Go off of studio mode. And go starting soon. And like, it's too big. That's what she said. Let me just keep it right there. Okay. Go into studio mode, and then I should be able to go into my streamer bot layer. I can turn this off for now. And now we don't have it in every scene. Spare change. I need that. We could probably add that right now. All right, let me open spare audio file. Spare change. Sponge. Bob. Sound. Actually, I could probably just use the video. Or maybe just use this video here. You guys probably won't be able to listen to it. My biddies are showing shit. Maybe use this video. We definitely need to cut this. Maybe I can do it from here too. Can I clip on my video? No. All right. Let me do that. I think I'm just, instead of using the sound, I'll just use the actual video clip for it. See if this works. Oh, this one doesn't let me. Whatever. All right, we fix this part right here. Let me download this real quick. All right, it's open. I should be able to open this in. Ah, fuck. That's loud. Should be able to open it on Premiere. I'm just gonna do a simple cut. Actually, maybe I should do this. Maybe give it some personality. What I'll do is I'll switch to this scene. And I'll look sad. That's good. I'm going to paint. This. I need to look into the camera. I'm gonna do it. Or kind of slightly into the camera. Oh fuck, what the fuck? Alright, are we back? Double check. What the fuck? Oh. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened there. Oh shit. Double audio, no. Alright. Well, that was a bit scary. I don't know what happened, but it is what it is. Oh fuck. Just making sure it's still running on Facebook. Alright. Back to where we were. Let me just start a new project. We'll call this spare change bit reward. My work videos, template, no. Great. Alright, let me go into paint. That face. Much better. Yo. I almost showed off something very, very nasty. I almost shared way too much shit that is nasty. Oh no. Okay, let me start with this so we can get off the nasty part. Nasty. Nah, dude, it's like not safe for work nasty. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is just simple. Grab that. Grab that.
Yeah.
Come on. Yo, what's up, Scry? We're just fixing some stuff on OBS. Let me save this picture real quick. Sad stylefold, we'll call it. Need to open Photoshop for this too. So what I'm thinking of is on Premiere. Cut this real quick, make sure it. I want to hear the. You guys can't probably hear it because I don't have the audio playing on OBS.
You'll never believe it's Stolfo. My boy Scry ain't even following me. That's not very cash money, is it?
Oh, that's not very cash money, and I'll tell you why. Where are you? The reason why it's not very cash money is because of this right here. Motherfucker is sponsoring you and you're not following him? Shit. How about also Scry? Is he following? Alright. We have the video kind of like clip where we want it. You guys can't hear it though, so. Alright. So we got that, but what I want to do is serious. Start a new file. Web large. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the fuck that I put it. File. Save. File. Save. Can I just drag it? Yes, I can. Set stylefold. Go on here. I mean, so I can see.
Hey Siri, show me Stolfo nudes.
What the fuck? Why would it say Siri like that? Where is not frame? I keep forgetting. Oh, there it is. I think. Why is it not letting me? Where's the rasterize? Wonder what it let me fucking crop. Damn, man's already running. Okay, just that's helpful. Kind of pixelated. Don't know why it popped up so small. Grab this selection tool. Yikes. Actually, I did miss this one. Yeah, that's not for the subscribers. That's for the people that might tune in and I can't draw a penis. I might get banned. I thought I. Did they change this? Why is it drawing when I have the selection tool? I hate when. I hate when they update something and they just make it fucking worse. Like, what bullshit is this? True, brother, true. Normally, I would be able to do this in like 5 fucking seconds, and now I can't just because of how weird this is. Why is this like this? I hate this. I really do. What the fuck? Installation of single. They really did change this shit. Wait a moment. There has to be. I can switch this back. Why would they do it that way? It was perfectly fine before. God damn it, Adobe. Recent. Probably happened in the past month. Yeah, but like this feature is not AI. Well, it is. Because now it's just like I can just fill that section there. But I used to be able to just like draw around me and it will just grab what I wanted. Like even if I missed it, I could just like adjust it. This is way, way worse. I could probably make it work though. But I hate it. I fucking hate it. I mean, I can see chat. What I can do, probably. Boom, boom.
I got plenty of Stolfo face pics of needed.
Of needed. It. Dude, I hate this. Where's the...
And I've got some of the lower area.
All right, you know what? I have to like relearn how to use the fucking brush tool on fucking Photoshop. Let's go back to Premiere. I wanted to add my face here instead of just having just Squidward thing. Make it more personalized, you know? But Adobe decided to change it. I think this should be fine. I'm just gonna add probably a fade out at the end. Store blur. Transitions. Shift to black. I could, but like when I'm used to doing something quickly, because I could just remove everything around it, including the green screen, and just grab my face in less than a fucking minute, and they just like change it in such a way that fucking sucks. This dip to black needs to start a little bit probably here. Fast. You guys can't hear it, but I'm gonna add a key to volume. The controls, volume, level. We'll do it. Right here. Sit there. Okay, perfect. And I'll just export. Actually, no, it's actually grab, Control M. Yeah, that works. Export. That works. All right, we're done with that. All right. We'll go into here. Add a new action. I'll probably fix this later.
Check
It's still not
text.
completely. It's still not completely. That's a horrible job, friend. That's not what I wanted. I still see my hand on it, but I appreciate the effort, and that's not. I don't look sad in that thing. Also, this is something that I might work on. I have to work on. Now you don't have to. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll do it off stream. I'm just pissed that fucking Photoshop changed the way the selection brush works because of fucking AI shit. This is something I'm gonna try to work today. The Game Boy camera shit.
I'll do it for the love.
Nah, it's fine, dude. Don't worry about it. All right, let's add a new. I'll just add it right here. This is kind of an alert.
Not to mention I have a lot of free time effing, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji.
God, I'm getting like a bunch of messages now. Better change. Alerts. Sure. I will trigger whenever on Twitch. Where the fuck is the bits? Not moderation. I'm pretty sure they have a thing for bits. Follow. I'm not finding the bit thing. I could have sworn there was an option for bits. Oh, because of I missed it. Where is my? Cheer. 1,000. I need to add that as a source. And I really, what is that? I still have Streamlabs, or because I still have that enabled. So in streamer bot layer, that's what we're gonna add the bit thing. So I should probably create a different scene for this. Yeah, there. Change. We'll add it here, and then we'll add media. We'll call this there. Change video. This over here. Work videos. Change. Start playing once. Okay. Okay, what the fuck? That is the video. Why is it not playing though? What is going on with OBS? I should be able to just put a video in and it should work. But it's just showing this thing here.
That's what she said.
I need to see where the video is at so I can do to just maybe if I control M. Even if I lowered the fucking.
I got a video for you, smirking face emoji.
Might have to. Dude, what the fuck is going on? More videos. Is it because I still have it open in Premiere? Let's see if save this. See if this. None of my videos are open. Turn it back up. Like it's already low and it's still getting me like scared. Really, the loop button's gonna not doing anything. Form. I did not fucking do it. I might have to approach this a different way.
Dan Lamau.
Never heard of it? Shit. Bro, this is baffling me so much. Like, it should be as simple as just adding the video source and just have it turn on and off. Why is it not working though? If I do it from here, let me see. Video source. Everything else is like that.
Spare change, ma'am.
It's working here. Well, not on the scene that I want it to work on. Let me wait. Give me a second. It's still not fucking working.
Spare change.
Is it because I'm in studio mode? It is.
Spare change, ma'am.
That is loud as fuck. I can hear it. Ay, ay, ay.
Spare change, ma'am.
Okay, I need to actually have it loop. This is gonna be annoying as fuck.
Spare change.
I need to do.
Change, ma'am. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change, ma'am.
Why is it not letting me?
Spare change, ma'am. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change.
Not letting me. Okay, I'll just do it this way because it's working.
Spare change, ma'am. Spare change.
No more hours, boys.
Spare change, ma'am. Spare change. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change.
All right.
Spare change, ma'am. Spare change, ma'am.
All right. Spare change. Spare change. Let me go back into second monitor. Oh. Delete that right there. Where is spare change? I want to add a text file. Bit word text.
This sexy man just appeared on my screen and now I need a new change of jorts.
Shit. Form. 7 hours. And then center. Then we'll move this a bit up.
Cuff him, boys.
You got me. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Then get out here. Bring your pair to the movie. Yeah. I don't think I have jorts. I'm being honest. But fuck, how do I have it for? I need to check. I'm in handcuffs. Shit. All right. I need to go to my here. Switch user. Get user target. I think that's how I have it. Wait. Okay. Here. OBS. Sources. Set GPI text. This I'm gonna have to fix later. More, bit more text. And then we add this. What can I get the bit reward? What's the bit reward command? Gamer bit out. I can't fucking write today. That's why we're just vibing. Slow jamming the day away.
I'm officially TB free.
Shit, sister. You didn't get it from beating a man to death for a couple bucks. Action source. Fuck. Can't. For the trigger though. Let me see if I can just do this. Look at me being so prepared for this. I'm trying to get the amount to like show. I don't think this. I need to go into spare change
Spare change, ma'am.
before I do this.
Spare change, ma'am.
Spare change.
Spare change, ma'am. Spare change. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change. Spare change.
Oh, I think I got it.
ma'am. Spare change. Spare
It gave me a number.
ma'am. Spare change. Spare change, 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 ma'am.
Okay.
Spare change.
Please pause. Spare change, ma'am. Okay, I need to do some stuff here. I forgot how to do it. Oh, there you go. Yep. Center. Center. Lead. So text is working. So instead of loop, take that away.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
Center horizontally. Can I lock this position? Properties. All right, fine. Now let's go into StreamerBot layer. Add scene. StreamerBot. Where is spare?
Spare change.
No, what the fuck?
Spare change, ma'am.
Not here.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am. Spare change.
This is gonna work the way I want it to. Okay. Studio mode. I need to fucking organize these better. Like this whole layer here, like my nesting, I need to fix. Front. StreamerBot. Go out of here. Scene. Spare change.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
Okay. This is gonna be default off. Then here, we get that. Oh fuck. We're supposed to see that. But here on StreamerBot, I just do here. OBS. Sources. Oh, am I not? Yes. It has to be seen. Nope, cancel. Sí. ¿Qué pasó? Excuse me. Sorry about that. Visibility says source. Scene is gonna be my StreamerBot. Where's my StreamerBot? StreamerBot layer. Change reward. It's visible. And then we add a delay. Oh. Probably do 3250. Then 4. No, it's not 4. It's OBS. Sources. Social security state. Layer. Reward to hidden. Okay. So this turn off. I do.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
It works. Easy peasy.
Si claro no me gusta toto, solo bishu por me.
Yeah.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
I'm probably gonna have to like change the size of that. That's what she said. I mean, because that's way too big. Nope. Center. Nope. Yeah, let's do it like that.
Spare,
Oh fuck.
spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
That works. I like it. Looking good. Alright, that's one thing added. Fuck. Another thing that I wanted to add.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
I gotta fix that, and that the way we fix it, we just turn it off. So now we don't have the two fucking things playing. Alright. Hydrate sounds. That I can do. What we'll do is I have
Spare change.
okay, you
Spare
can start with
change,
the
ma'am.
you can start with the bit. I need to go into my all audio scene. I'm gonna fix this later on. But for now, this is how I'm gonna do it. Excuse me. I need to add media. I'm gonna call this 9 point. Hydrate. Go here. Should be in my downloads. Oh, I can't hear it.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 definitely don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
It's too long. That's what she said.
I need it!
We have to edit that. It's already set up. Let me put it in my folder with sounds. Isn't this one Super Mario? Fuck. Always gets me. Do I have Audacity on this bitch? So I have to Audacity. I really don't have Audacity. Oh my god, I don't. And it shows that I visited this website. Downloads. I don't want the installer, I just want the zip. Oh, I did download it. I just never bothered. Oh shit, wait a moment. Why does it keep moving my fucking OBS away? Alright, start playing, guys. Hey. Open. Where is my... There it is. It wants to see the goods. Yeah, definitely. Alright. Why can't I hear it? Why can't I hear it? I need to find the settings for the moment. I can't hear it because it's playing off of my other headphones. Play it now. Okay, I can hear it now. I could have probably done this in Premiere too. Fuck, I haven't used this in a while. Where's the split? Split. That sounds good. File. Export. On my computer, of course. Graphic sounds, yeah, wave. Blah, 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 export. Should be done. And now we go back to studio. Audio. Hydrate. Browse. To go to here, GNS. You guys don't see this part. My personal files. Screen stuff. Assets. Sound. Hydrate.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.
It could go a little louder.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
Let's turn that off. Here. Streamer bot. Some group boards. Whenever somebody Twitch or redemption, and it's gonna be hydrate. OBS sources. Source visibility state. Streamer bot. Dude, I have so much fucking scenes. It's not showing. Oh, because this is not in. Oops. Here. Sounds hydrate. visible. And then a delay. How long is this clip actually? 7 seconds. So we'll do 4 delay 1,000 should be enough, and then OBS hidden streamer bot. No, it's not streamer bot. It's all audio. Nope, I just saw you. Boom. Wait, your sound. They're hidden. Okay. Whenever somebody goes here, does.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
Damn, I don't have water actually.
Definitely don't need it.
It's working. Another thing added. All right. 2 things added. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Should probably have this on because we are playing music. Dark Souls lo-fi. Ooh. Face emoji. All right. How much time do I have left? In my timer, at least. 30 minutes. Maybe I can start setting up Game Boy camera. I still have, I believe I still have a scene. I do. Oh shit. There's a lot of fixing that needs to be done. All right. No, it just didn't go there. I think I have a new one. This is the preview. This should be the right one. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. DNS. Stream stuff. Assets. If I go into my Game Boy camera, it still kind of works. All right, we need to. Oh, shit, I need to fix my camera then. Because what I would like to do, I should probably get it working first. Like you can actually take a picture and send it to the Discord. All right, I have this set up. Good. Yeah, that's this one. So, because what I wanted to happen is like when it gets redeemed, it comes from the bottom, maybe becomes bigger. That's what she said. Takes the picture, goes back small, and goes back down. I think that's gonna take a lot of fucking work, but I should be able. Okay, let me see. I think I still have it on the camera. It's gonna send a picture of this. For camera test. If I do this, and I check my Discord, It's still sending the same picture. Oh, wait. Maybe now? In my Discord, there's a page for the Game Boy camera. It's taking the picture. So, okay. I need to be able to go into my camera, main cam key. Properties, nope, it's filters. I need to add, because I believe I didn't add. Maybe if I could do the studio mode, so that way you can see what I'm working on. Wait, if I go monitor 2, nope. I need to do this, studio mode. And then if I go into my Game Boy camera, right here, filters. Add a new filter to this. Which one is it? User defined. Game Boy camera filter. Flow shader from text file. Browse. TV camera. I need to change the colors though. Fuck. I don't know the palette. I need to research the palette. It's this one. I look funky now. Game Boy green palette. Right here. Need the codes. I should probably add a background on it. I do. No, that's not what I. Fuck. There we go. X code for this one is 0F380F. And this one is gonna be 36230. Getting there. Then 8 Bach 0F. Then 9 BBC 0F. Why is my background not changed? Oh, because I'm changing it from here. So if I take, where's my streamer bot? If I test it, let me go into the Discord. There it is. You cannot see me taking the finger out, but we got the trigger right. Okay. But now I'm like regular screen. I need to go here. I need to fix this. This is gonna break as soon as I try fixing everything. I need to turn that off. Let me move this up here. Let me delete these. These are useless. These are from the old time we had it. Okay, close. All right. All right, so what we want to do is we can take the screenshot and we'll save into the Discord. So what we want to do is, whenever this happens, we need to go into OBS, Set an active scene to Game Boy camera one. Do this. Then I need to go back to OBS. Sources. Set source filter state. That's going to be what are you guys talking about? Where's the Game Boy? Where's the Game Boy? Where's the Game Boy? Source is gonna be main cam key. I'm gonna do camera filter, set to visible. Back to OBS. No, I need to add a delay. We'll play with this later. We'll add a 3-second delay. So we'll take the screenshot, send it to Discord, select the scene. Fuck, this is the part that's gonna be fucked up. Cancel. OBS, get current scene. I need to figure out what the code is for it. And scene. I actually need a code. For argument, set argument. We're gonna set. Should probably do this here. Variable is gonna be this scene into current scene. Let me make sure I wrote that right. Take screenshot, and then I wanna go back, set active scene to scene. My boy's fighting. Peace, peace, peace. All right. Da da da. Scenes, argument. Oh. All right. There's only one way to test this out. Let's go back into this scene. Let's turn off studio. Somebody redeems. It didn't go back. But it did send the pictures to Discord, right? Yeah. Okay, let's try that again. Oh shit. I need to grab this. I need to fix my filter. I can just duplicate. This right here, yeah. Set it to hidden. Move this up here. All right. I do this. Press. Game Boy camera. We can enable it again. We can fucking enable the Game Boy camera again. I can gotta go. Where is it? Fuck. Page. Game Boy camera picture. I'm gonna reduce the cost to 500. And enable. And if I do this, go here. Redeem. And we check the Discord. It's there. Fuck yeah, dude. I have to do other fixes for it because I'm gonna be changing how my cameras are set up on the scenes. But for the time being, fuck. That was quick. Thought it was gonna take longer.
You're gonna regret that, Lamau.
Am I?
Quite brilliant, that is, my good sir.
Because I believe I can just set up a cooldown. Let me see. Do I have a cooldown on it? I'll put a minute. And as I still tell people, like, hey, we got the game camera thing going on, then the amount of points is the cooldown. Hey. It used to be 1,000 points, so. But shit, I got it working. I want to do some other figures because let me go back into that scene. Because yes, it does have, but I would like to maybe add a background so it kind of contrasts. It's not just black background. And I want to do the animation. Maybe I can set the animation. How much do I have? 15 minutes. Animation is going to be the hardest part. Because I would have to get this part here. Can I set source fill? I believe I should be able to actually. Move action. That's not it. Fuck. Pokemon random get copyright strike. I won't. Worry. I have it set up so I don't. Have so much shit going on. Studio. You already got the Game Boy. Group. I wanted to do a Pokemon like stream, but I was gonna do something stupid. I'll leave it for like something in the future. It's gonna be one of those things like stream. Well, it can't be stream doesn't end till that thing happens, but it's gonna take weeks to accomplish that. Probably months. I was like drinking stream. Nah, dude, I'm not gonna drink on stream. The thing you told, yeah, I think I told you about it. It was like wait, no, bullshit. No, I didn't tell you about it. I told you about me doing the Nuzlocke with Solar. It was gonna be a Soul Lock, and it was gonna be we were gonna name all our Pokemon based on like Breaking Bad characters. This is something else that I had in mind. I was gonna use Pokemon Gold for it because that's the last full Pokemon game that I played, and it's always been my favorite. I'm gonna do. I tried it. I can't remember. I can't remember when I tried it. It's been a long time, and I remember like the first couple things that I did. It took me like a full day, but I did the math, and it was gonna take me like a long time. But it's gonna be probably something down the road, something when once we probably if we ever build up like the community bigger, because it's gonna be a very long and a very boring stream. Okay, let me go into studio. I'm in studio. Okay, with camera. Okay, so
Solar? I hardly know her.
gee, I believe I can go here. Forgot what filter I needed to use. It's been a while. Is it move value? No, it's not move value. Maybe move source. Start delay, acceleration. Me duplicate and then let's move that there. Why is it not getting the transform? Well, okay, what if I play with settings? 500, 100. Well, I moved everything and not my. Okay, we got movement. But I think I fucked up. Oh, there we go. The background. Why didn't it move everything in this source? I moved everything except my camera. So I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is going on. Here. Filters. Change order. What's only enabled when moving. Okay, now it's not fucking moving.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.
Shit. Did it save the rotate? Like everything? Why is it not getting the transform though? I might have to update my plugin then. Let me move OBS move source not getting form. Hmm. Interesting. I guess I can't do it with the group. I would have to. Oh, fuck. This fucking sucks. This changes everything. Because I have to do. I don't know, scene. Call this GVC for now. Somebody. So I believe I don't have to do it for each individual one. I believe I have to create a separate scene with these in it, and then move the scene around. So Game Boy test for now. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this group, copy, paste, and then here we'll delete this, add the scene. It's there, and then move source. Okay, so let me see where this Game Boy is at. Let me make this smaller. I need to do something here. There we go. Here. I just grab the important details. All right. I think we can set this up now. So I want to rename this to step. This is gonna be step 2. Step 2. I want it here in this middle. Actually, let me transform. There we go. Now it's in the middle. And get transformed. I'm gonna add another one. New source. I'm gonna call this step 1 bottom. Here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. There. Form. Okay, why is it not doing? Why did it? It just got the fucking transformer. Now it doesn't. What is going on? Animation is difficult in OBS. Center, center, center. Oh, 508. 50. Damn, I have to input this every time. I hit. Still there. Shouldn't let me fucking do this. What the fuck? Alright, inputting manually again. this needs to be the center. So I'll just grab this, copy, paste, and bottom. Wait, oh, this has to be center. Bottom. 720. No, 1080. Goes to the bottom. Gonna stay there. Then it goes to the center. Going too fast though. I want center to be. Let me try changing this. Okay, it actually has to be an 80. So what I can do is maybe increase this to 600. Whoop. 1,000. Still find it like very. It's more my speed. Whoop. Whoop. 1,000. A new one. Source. F3. Boom. Here, I believe we're gonna scale it. Fuck. Man, this get it's not moving the group. It's just moving that one fucking. I wanted to zoom in, but I don't want to zoom in like this. -100. -100. I think I want to do 20. Right. Let's be negative, maybe 360. So goes to the bottom, center, zoom. Bottom. All right, fine. We're getting somewhere. What I need to do is maybe duplicate the bottom.
Almost as smooth as my balls.
But we're getting there. Yeah. It's like, boom. So whenever it redeems, it goes into step 2. And then zooms in. Takes the picture. It would have to change my filter state, but takes the picture and then it should go back to the bottom. What I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate. Step 4. Boom. I really need a step 1. As long as it stays in the bottom. I think if I delete this. Whoop. Whoop. And whoop. So what I need to do is here. Visibility, action, start trigger, next move. Step 3. Then step 3 goes into step 4. Step 4. All right. So whenever this happens, let's see. Okay. I need to add a crazy delay after 3. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have it play. Step 1, step 2, and then on fucking StreamerBot will activate step 4. So let me close this StreamerBot. All right, we go actions with camera. Make current scene, set active scene here. We're gonna need to set that, and we need to set OBS. Let's see, filter state. So much. Camera test. Filter. Anyway test. To center. To visible. And then, fuck, I need to go back here. So step 2, 3000, zoom is 600. So we need another delay there. So set active scene, set this to visible, say main cam key. Just add it here. A screenshot. I want to do like a flash later, but when it does this, add here OBS first scene. Game Boy test. And we set the 4. All right. All right. Write that down. Let's see. Here. I redeem. Wait, what the fuck? Couldn't find my theme. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Let's try that again. I saw something weird with the motion. Some cooldown. Fuck. Damn it. I mean, I can test it on StreamerBot. Let me move this out of the way. Let me see. Actually, let me turn off studio mode. It's bigger. Test. What? What? And then on the Discord, we have the. There's no reason didn't send the picture. Oh wait, because I need to do this. I need to change this. I forgot. I forgot Mabi. I need to change this right here. It has to be Game Boy test. Source. I believe it's that. So let's try that again. Hit the Discord. Yep. All right. We got a little animation. Nice, pretty setup we got there. So, Game Boy camera is added. That's fun. Awesome. I think that's gonna be it for stream because my alarm just went off. I wanna probably take a shower. It's at 4. But hey, we got a fucking Game Boy camera reward fix, ready to go, better than ever. It could be improved. I want to add like maybe a flash or something so it shows that it actually took the screenshot. Maybe instead of just jumping into the scene, it will do the animation first. Once it goes down, then it'll switch back to the previous scene that we had. But pretty fun, pretty easy. Yes. 100 sub, baby. 100 gifted. Oh, y'all know the drill. I need to fix some other stuff. I'm gonna start writing that down. I want to use a different piece of paper. I need to add need to fix audio and sounds. How it work. So close. One day, somebody in this community will drop $500 so I can show my nipple. But that day is not today. Maybe it's tomorrow. Maybe it's Saturday. Maybe it's Sunday. Or the next day. Or the next day. Or the next day. I also wanted to do like a series soon where my camera would like get closer and closer whenever like I hit a button or something. For like comedy effect, but I just learned how to do animations again. So, but I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with how the camera turned out. Dude, now I want to get a fucking Game Boy Color and like in an actual Game Boy camera. I might invest in one. Oh, I know what we can do. How much is a receipt printer? Because I know we can set up the printer to print the pictures we get from the Discord and set it through StreamerBot. And we can actually get like physical copies of the pictures. I can send it to people and shit. Yeah, Nutty has a video on like how to set it up. There's this $30 one. I have to research, but I know I can set it up. I'm pretty sure I got the skills to set it up. Like one day we could probably do a whole stream with just setting up the printer. I think that would be pretty cool. Maybe we can set it up so like if I get like gifted a sub, then it will trigger and we can take a picture every time we get a sub. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's stream. Short, sweet, productive. We got a lot done, I feel. We added the hydrate sound. We added the Game Boy camera. What else did we add? The spare change bit reward. Not as clean as I wanted it to, because I wanted to add more personality to it. But we can add that later. And we definitely have to fix more of the camera, like add more features to it. But we have it, and it works, and it adds the photo to the Discord, which is what I wanted. So, but anyway, just want to do a quick stream, fix stuff up. Tomorrow we'll do Halo. I don't know at what time. I need to talk to Solar about it because I don't know if we're gonna be going as early as we did last time, or we're gonna go a little bit later. Saturday, I had planned to do the Steam demo stream, but I think I'm gonna move that on to Sunday because on Saturday we should be crossing the halfway point of our 500-mile journey, hopefully. So I'll probably do something different instead of just playing demos while reaching that big milestone in my journey. So we'll probably go live. I'll probably talk for a bit about my journey, and then we'll start the walk. I think I'm gonna play Celeste. I think I'm gonna do the last chapter of it, since we got the Crystal Hearts yesterday for it. So I think that's what's gonna be for Saturday, and then Sunday, hopefully, if nothing changes, I can do the Steam demo stream, because there's a lot. I have like 18 demos. I think I can show you guys. Wait a second. This one. Let me close all this shit. I have the wheel here with a bunch of games. And we're gonna be rolling this and seeing what game we're gonna try. Demos that I have in my list for like probably over a year. So there's a bunch of like old demos here of games that were released. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna see if they're actually interesting or not, if they're worth a buy or not. There's a couple here that I'm very, very interested in. Void War being one, Billionaire. The other one, I think Ad Fundum was like another one that got my ass. Shit. Anton Blast, definitely, because it's pretty much a Wario Land clone. And yesterday I saw Dick Wee play Wordplay, and it seemed very fun. And I like word games. I used to play Billionaire was mid. We'll see. I'll check it out. That's why I want to do the Steam demo stream, because we'll see if I've been wanting to play that game for a while, and I've been tempted to buy it so many times, but I haven't bought it because I want to play it first before I actually like put in money to actually getting it. Like it's so as all these demos here. I probably have more demos, but these are the ones that I remembered and I added to the list. I'll probably add more if I see something more interesting, but at least for now, that's just gonna be it. So hopefully that we do that on Sunday. Streams are gonna slow down next week because I am booked to work, I think, all week. But I'll try to do a sneaker doodle stream once in a while. But yeah, be there or be square. Yep. Be I don't know. Be a rat. Be a rat or be a cat. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I'm about to go get ready to watch the Don movie with the boys. I'll probably talk about it tomorrow, maybe. Who knows? Probably won't have a lot of opinion on it, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I did watch the series. It was okay. I did watch it completely. I mostly drop animes quickly. I did it with actually I did watch Demon Slayer, a lot of it, and I just got very fucking bored with that series. Animations are beautiful, but man, as a series, I don't know how people love it. But anyway, enough chit chatting. That's gonna be it for tonight. I mean today, because it's still early as fuck.